Hey, good evening. My name is Mark. Welcome to JTech. We're getting ready tonight to demonstrate how to turn a rotor on an automobile with our device we have here, which allows us to do such. This is the device we're talking about. This is an on-the-car rotor resurfacer, and it'll allow us to turn this rotor and make it as good as possible or as good as new. It also takes into consideration the compensation for the run out of the rotor as well as the spindle. So I'm going to start setting this up. If you have a little bit of silence, don't be surprised. I'll try to talk with you as much as I can. The first thing we're going to do is down here we've got a set of lights, and this is what we're going to do. These lights will ultimately end up calibrating this after I hook the device up. So if you'll stand by, I'm going to start rigging this so it'll work. So here we go. First thing we want to do is run this up as close as we can to the spindle. And with that being in there like that, we want to make sure we're about as firm as we can get with it. There we go. We're locked in. Now we've got a pin right here in the center that you want to turn around and roll in as close as you can. Alright, get it nice and snug, and we are there. Okay, the next thing we're going to do then is going to go ahead and pull the cutters in, loosen them up here, take them out a little bit, got them out, okay. And what we want to do then is we want to turn around and roll this in and allow this to somewhat compensate, and we'll show you how we do that. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to run it back out and lock this down so they don't roll back in on me. And I'm going to get ready to compensate this unit. And what it does, you'll hear some clicking, and the clicking is allowing it to calibrate itself. I'm going to pull you in a little closer. You won't really be able to see me, but you'll be able to see what's going on. And that's the main thing. Sorry about the jiggling there. Okay, so here we are. I'm getting ready to calibrate this thing. So I'm going to hit this start button. And it'll start its calibration process. Okay, and here we go. All right, it's going to start calibrating. You can see the numbers that are changing on here. All right, they've calibrated to 0.5. So that's what we got for run out. It's probably somewhere around 0.5 thousandths run out. Okay, so what our next thing is with this thing calibrated, we're going to take and lock this down. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to roll the cutting knives in just far enough so that we can get ourselves a good read on how flat the caliper is. Alright, so I've got it in there, and now I'm going to dial these in ever so slowly until I hear the inside ones, the inside cutting knife, contact the rotor. Stand by. It'll be there. Okay, now we'll do it. Okay, maybe in a moment. There we go. And it'll start here in the squeal here in a second. Okay, now we've got our cutting knife touching the inside of the rotor. Now I'm going to do the one at the outside. You can hear that it's touching. Okay, I'm going to lock these down, just like so. Alright, now I'm going to take and adjust these to 0,000. We'll put them on 0, 0, 0. And we're real close to that. Okay, we're on 0, 0, 0. So now what I'm going to do is loosen this back up. And I'm going to roll these out a little bit. There we go, so they're not making any noise. Okay, now I'm going to roll the cutting knives into the center. And after we roll them into the center, we're again going to adjust them to where we get a fairly good readout on the thickness of the inside, and we'll look at the micrometers on the end and see where they stand at that point. So micrometers, come down to about right there. I'm going to start rolling them in. Stand by. You know, again, you're going to hear a squeal. Okay, that's the inside. And we're real close to 0 there, so that's good. I'm going to do the outside. And again, we're dead on 0. That's not bad. So we're going to lock these down. Everything looks good. Okay, I'm going to stand by. I'm going to shut it off. And we're going to check all of our connections to make sure we're set. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and turn it. Stand by. Okay. I don't think this is going to work with the hoop, but we'll give it a shot. Why not? Okay, that knob's tight. This knob's tight. Everybody here's good. Knob's tight. Tight. Everything looks good. I'm going to turn around and engage my drive, and we're going to go ahead and start it up, and it's going to walk its way to the end. Okay, I had put you on hold there for a little bit. We're getting ready to run off the end of this rotor, the outside of the rotor. I just wanted to bring you back so you can tell when this is done turning. We are done. And if we had the little thumb screw in here, it would automatically shut this thing off just like so. Okay, and that being said, this rotor feels pretty good. We've got a little bit on the inside that's not quite where it needs to be, but this is just a practice vehicle for us here at J-Tech. So this has done a pretty doggone good job. So what we're going to do is back these knives off a little bit. So we got some clearance. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is roll this, or loosen this. Again, we got this thumb screw right here, but you have to take off this adapter that goes on the wheel. So we roll this out until it's loose, and now we just pull this out away, and that's it. As you can see, this is the adapter that this machine hooks to. It takes a different adapter for different cars, and there's probably 6 different adapters down there. What you keep in mind is that you have to fit this first before you can do anything else. Now, with everything being said, I'm going to lower this this little pan we got down below here that catches the shavings. Okay. And if you were going over to the other side, what you would do right now is you turn around and you would flip this over just like so. All right. Now, flipped over like this now, you will turn around and hook it up, take this adapter off, take it over to the other side of the car, and you're going to put it right back on. You're going to hook this up, and you're going to do the same thing. The only difference is all your adjustments are going to be below here, underneath right down here, underneath the motor. So with that being said, you're going to be working from down below or crouching down. So with that, with this being done, we're good to go. And this is where we stand. This is how you turn a rotor on a car. And again, this is the upside down position for the motor. We're going to put it back the way it belongs. Just like it was, like so. And that's it. I hope this was education for you guys and was able to help you out a little bit maybe. And look forward to seeing it again. Have a great evening. Thank you. Bye.